Now, arguably, there is need for stricter enforcement of regulation upon companies in markets like the USA, but China takes it too far in the other direction. Famously, the government blocked the listing of Jack Ma's Ant Financial Group after he got on the wrong side of leadership, and in 2023, when the government cracked down on tutoring of all things, it sparked a massive sell-off as people were spooked by the government overreach. So this means that for most investors, or at least investors without an inside edge, the stock market is simply too risky for the estimated returns. This also starves independent businesses of the funding that they may need to pursue genuine innovation. Outwardly, China has been making some very impressive strides in new technologies, but these tend to be concentrated into fields that the government has highlighted as a priority. Beyond that, there is also the not-so-secret fact that a lot of Chinese innovation is really just taking designs from manufacturing partners and relabeling it. It remains unclear how robust tech development will be beyond this. Now, we actually made an entire video on this a few years ago comparing Shenzhen and Silicon Valley. We don't want to repeat too much here, but again, the important point is that genuine investment into promising new technologies and businesses is far more limited in China. Now, this is actually a problem because households in China also don't really spend much money. About 68% of the USA's GDP is accounted for with household consumption. Now, Americans are extremely adept at being amazing consumers, so for comparison, the global average is 56%. In China, household consumption only makes up 39% of GDP. Of course, the country is much poorer overall than the USA, so they have less money to spend, but normally economists would actually expect the opposite. Poorer countries should naturally spend more of their total output on consumption because people need to spend more of their income just to maintain the essentials, and largely that is what happens.